Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. It's beginning to another match, and I'm gonna try this. The I'm gonna try Phantom Forces again. If it's go little better. Candy, why did you leave last time? I don't know. Maybe rage. Okay, my dad is came home. Wait, I'm back. My dad is came home and my sister shouting at me. So I gon I only shout back. Let's see how many kills I can get. One. Damn it. That's one more. I see someone. Why? I get out of ammo so fast. Where are you? I'm bad. I'm so bad. Yay, another kill. I need ammo so badly now. That hurts. That hurts so badly. I reset. I don't wanna lose my streaks. There. That's why I reset. Before F5. I don't F5 anymore because it's broken. I don't know why. Still, his studios does it broken. That hurts. And why? Why am I so bad? Oh. I see you. Pick me. Pick me. If you don't know who Petrify TV is, go look in him. He's a really good Final Forces player. He play other games like Med Paintball, I think. I don't know. Ooh, that's close. Ow, ow, ouch, 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 ouch. That hurts real bad. They are gone. They're gone. Gone, 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 gone. There you go. Before you say I'm bad, I know that I'm bad. But sometimes I can get over 15 kills. And sometimes I can't get over 10 kills. I hate when I be on servers with 100 plus guys. Oh, that's an enemy. I didn't see him. What? I didn't. I shoot him so many times and he didn't die. Why? I'm gonna cry. I hate when I hate when it goes so bad. and can't speak today. Ouch! 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 Ooh, that hurts. What? I hate my life. Why? Why are guys? This guy's doing this to me. Oh, I'm so sad. Grenade. I don't gonna get some anyone, but it's okay. I can try. How did he see me? How did he see me? It goes so bad. Yes, I get one kill. Sorry, I'm blowing the mic. But it's going so bad. I'm really close to die. When I say that, I mean that. This game hates me. This game hates me so bad. I can't get 10 kills. Why? I get 11-8. I'm sucks. I'm suck. Bye everyone.